Racing just is started. We have Pleasant Girl break quickly at the start. Down on the inside, Lady Jaja, Manly, Tiger Epic, Kasiyahan, Mangaro Blue Chic. Alam mo na yan, the force. Then next on, Lady Zol, Invictus, Friendly Fire. Then down on the inside is landed Bisa, while Hardway is racing second last. And Memories now running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race. We have Pleasant Girl by Orling and Ihap, Manly in second, Tiger Epic is on the outside, Lady Jaja is down on the inside. Alam mo na yan, comes next the force, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pleasant Girl moving up now on the outside, Tiger Epic, Lady Jaja in the middle portion, the force joining them last 100 meters. We have Pleasant Girl followed by Tiger Epic, the force is on the outside, Pleasant Girl, the force is on the outside, and finally it's going to be Pleasant Girl, the force. Then comes Tiger Epic, Lady Jaja. Number 8, Blue Chic, and alam mo na yan for your Super 6.
7, 3, 10, 2, 8, 13. Yun ang datingan natin. So it was Pleasant Girl with